Okay guys, I got message from some of you telling me I published article on my blog where I promote my affiliate product, but I cannot rank that article on first page on Google because competition is too big, it's too strong, and I just started, so it is impossible for me to make money online. Well, today I'm going to show you a high authority website where you can publish that article and promote your affiliate product and also rank that article on first page on Google and get a free targeted traffic. And if you are a beginner, you need to watch this video very carefully. You can use this method for Clickbank, for Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus to promote your own product, to build your own mailing list. But for this example, we are going to use Clickbank. And the next thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And let's say I'm in health and fitness niche, because health and fitness niche is a big niche, and that means I can find lots of small sub niches where competition is not that big and it's not that strong. So I will click here on health and fitness, and Clickbank will give me a list of health and fitness products. And I'm actually going to sort this, let me just scroll here, I'm going to sort this by gravity. And what you need to do, you need to research all of these products before you start promoting them. You need to go on their sales pages, you need to go on their affiliate tools pages, you need to read some reviews, you need to go on SimilarWeb, you need to go on Trustpilot, and so on and so on. And then based on those data, you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Custom Keto Diet. I will open their sales page to check it out. And these guys actually use quiz as their sales page. Quizzes are always good because people like quizzes. And that means that when I send people to this sales page, that means my conversion rate will be higher. So this is a good product to promote. So now when we have our product, now we need to write a high quality article. And when you go on affiliate tools page of this product, Custom Keto Diet, and when you scroll here, let me just scroll through this. Let me just scroll. Let me just scroll a bit more. Okay, you will see this keyword list. Click here. They actually gave us a list of keywords, and then click here, open. They actually gave us a list of keywords that you can target, but you can't just go and target all of these keywords because competition for some of these keywords is big and it's strong. So for example, let me just copy this, Control C, and now we need to research all of these keywords. And for that you can actually go on Href free keyword tool, and I will paste that keyword here and then click on find keyword. And then confirm you are not robot. Now, because this is a free option, you will need to confirm that you are not robot every time. And when you scroll here, you will see that keto diet, 625,000 people search this every month in United States alone. But keyword difficulty is 89, which means competition is too big, it's too strong, we cannot rank on first page on Google. So we need to find another keyword. So let's go back on keyword list that they provided for us and go through these keywords. And like I said, you need to research all of these keywords. So let's say this keyword here, lazy keto diet. Just click here and I will Control C, go back on Href free keyword tool, and let's just paste it here. Click find keyword, confirm I'm not robot. Give it a few seconds, and when you scroll here, lazy keto diet, 1,800 people search this term every month in United States, but keyword difficulty is only 22, which means competition is not that strong, and that means we can rank for this keyword here, lazy keto diet, on first page on Google. And also you can see there are other related keywords, and all in all, more than 2,000 people search these keywords, related keywords to lazy keto diet, every month in United States alone. And when we add Canada, United Kingdom, Australia and New Zealand, that is about 4,000 or 5,000 searches every month, and that is a good potential. So now what you need to do, now when you have your keyword, now you need to write a high quality article. Now if you are not good at writing articles, you can simply go on Fiverr and pay someone to write to that article. Or you can go on iWriter and pay someone to write to that article as well. But you can also go on Google and you can simply here in search bar just type lazy keto diet and then click search. And you can rewrite one of these articles. I repeat, you must rewrite these articles. You cannot just copy and paste these articles. You must rewrite these articles. You can use one of those free spin bots to rewrite these articles for free in just 5 minutes, and then just go and use Grammarly to fix all the grammatical errors in that article. So now we need to publish this article on high authority website. You can publish this article on medium.com if you want, but problem is Medium doesn't rank articles that contain affiliate links on Google anymore. And best alternative by far is Vocal Media. Vocal Media is exactly the same like medium.com. And when you go on SimilarWeb, you will see that last month Vocal Media got 4 million visits. And most of their visitors are coming from highly developed countries. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their traffic is search traffic and direct traffic, and that is the best kind of traffic. And also when you go on Ahrefs authority checker, you will see that Vocal Media have authority of 78, which means this is a high authority website, and that means it's much easier to rank Vocal Media articles on first page on Google, even on a highly competitive keywords. So what you need to do, you need to go back on Vocal Media and you need to register for free. And after you register, you need to click here in upper right corner on Create Story to publish your story. I already made an article for this purpose, and first thing I need to do, I need to add a title for my article. Okay, I added title and I added subtitle, and now I need to add the article, and I always suggest to open your articles with an eye-catchy image or a video. And Vocal Media already gave you option to upload image, to embed video, or to use Unsplash. I suggest to use Unsplash because in that way you will get royalty-free images and avoid any future problems. Simply click here on Unsplash image, and here just type your main keyword, let's say keto, and then press enter. And it will automatically find keto related images that you can use. So let's say this image here, I will just click on it, and you can see it automatically pulled that image and added to my Vocal Media article. And now just scroll here, and where it says start writing, simply start writing your article. So like I said, I already prepared articles, so I will just highlight my article and copy. Okay, Control C, go back on Vocal Media, Control V to paste that article. Now you can add more images in this article, you can add videos and so on and so on. You can make these subtitles, let's say, highlight, and you can make it bold if you want. And now you need to add your Clickbank affiliate link into this Vocal Media article. Simply go back on Clickbank and then click here on promote, and then choose here custom keto diet direct to quiz, and then click here on generate hook link, and then click here, and let me just close this, go back on Vocal Media, and let's say I wish to add my affiliate link, let's say dirty keto, just highlight and then click here on this little link, paste your affiliate link, press enter, and that's it. You added your Clickbank affiliate link into this Vocal Media article. Now this is really important, pay close attention. This is what you must do in every article on Vocal Media or medium.com. You must add affiliate disclaimer. You must say that this article contains affiliate link, and if this person buys that product that you are promoting, you as an affiliate will earn a commission. You must add that affiliate disclaimer. That is really important. Now after you finish everything, after you are satisfied how your article looks, you added all the images, all the videos, you added your affiliate links, all you have to do is just click here on save changes, give it a few seconds, okay, and then click here submit for a review. And then you need to choose a topic. So let me just choose one of these topics. Let me just go through this to find a right topic for me. Let's just go through this. Okay, I will just choose life hack for this example. Okay, and now you need to choose tags. Let's say food for this example, but you will add more tags. And then just click here submit for review. And usually it takes about up to 24 hours for them to review your article, and if your article is 100% unique and you used royalty-free photos and images, it will be published on local media. But this article won't rank on first page of Google by itself. You need to help him. You need to start driving traffic. You need to build some backlinks to this article. And to build backlinks and drive some traffic, you can share this article in related Facebook groups. You can share this article on Pinterest. You can share it on Reddit. You can share it on Quora. You can share it on Twitter. You can share it on related forums. You can share that article on your own blog. You can go on related blogs and start commenting and linking back to that article. In that way, you will build valuable backlinks to that article, and when you combine those backlinks with a high authority of local media, that article will rank on first page on Google. And it will stay on that first page on Google in next few months, maybe even a few years. And it will drive traffic to that local media article, and that local media article will drive free traffic, targeted traffic to your affiliate offer, and you will make passive income in next few months, maybe even in next few years. This is how powerful this method is. So this is how you do Clickbank affiliate marketing without website, by driving targeted free traffic and making passive income. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.